Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today in this video we will talk about life insurance. First, you know about the basics for life insurance. Life insurance basics. Many financial experts consider life insurance to be the cornerstone of sound financial planning. It can be an important tool in the following situations. Number first, replace income for dependents. If people depend on an individual's income, life insurance can replace that income of the person if that person dies. The most common example of this is parents with young children. Insurance to replace income can be especially useful if the government or employer sponsored benefits of the surviving spouse or domestic partner will be reduced after their companion dies. Number two, pay financial expenses. Life insurance can pay funeral and funeral cost, probate and other estate administration costs, debts and medical expenses not covered by health insurance. Number three, create an inheritance for heirs. Even those with no other assets to pass on can create an inheritance by buying a life insurance policy and naming their heirs as beneficiaries. Number four, pay federal death taxes and state death taxes. Life insurance benefits can pay for state taxes so that heirs will not have to liquidate other assets or take a smaller inheritance. Changes in the federal death tax rules between now and January 1st, 2011 will likely lessen the impact of this tax on some people, but some states are offsetting those federal decreases with increases in their state level state taxes. Number five, making significant charitable contributions. By making a charity the beneficiary of their life insurance policies, individual can make a much longer contribution than if they donated the cash equivalent of the policy premiums. Number six, and the last one, create a source of savings. Some types of life insurance create a cash value that, if not paid out as a death benefit, can be borrowed or withdrawn on the owner's request. Since most people make paying their life insurance policy premium a high priority, buying a cash value type policy can create a kind of forced swings plans. Furthermore, the interest credited is tax deferred and tax exempt if the money is paid as a death claim. Okay, now come to the types of life insurance. There are two major types of life insurance: term and whole life. Number first, term life, and number second is the whole life. Term insurance is the simplest form of life insurance. It pays only if death occurs during the term of the policy, which is usually from 1 to 30 years. Most term policies have no other benefit provisions. There are two basic types of term life insurance policies: level term and a decreasing term. Level term means that the death benefit stays the same throughout the duration of the policy. Decreasing term means that the death benefit drops, usually in 1 year increments over the course of the policy terms. Number second, whole life, or we can call it permanent life. Whole life or permanent insurance pays a death benefit whenever the policyholder dies. There are three major types of whole life or permanent life insurance: traditional whole life, universal life, and a variable universal life. And there are variation within each type. In the case of traditional whole life, both the death benefit and the premium are designed to stay at the same level. Okay, thanks.